Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how I lay my edges without using STYLER gel, and I know you've seen the videos everywhere. Hopefully this video is helpful. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Chloe and I make videos every single Friday, and I would love for you guys to join this little party we got going on. I've been seeing a lot of these videos like around YouTube and like different ways that you could basically lay your edges without using the STYLER gel, so I thought that I would give it a try. I went to my local beauty supply store and I found this product, and I actually have used this before, but like I started using it again. I realized how much that I like really liked it. So I'm going to be using the Curls Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste, and it's like a really long name, but it smells so good. Like it smells, oh, alright, that's my life. So it says that it smooths out and slicks down unruly edges, tames frizzy hair, out of control curls, and also adds amazing sheen all in one step. So yes, I'm really loving this product and I can't wait to show you guys how I use it. First step is to wet your edges. So I'm just going to use my brush and just, you know, use your faucet, whatever, and just really get that brush. So I'm just going to wet my edges. And you see how already like it's starting to just kind of go where it wants to go. So this step is pretty self-explanatory. I'm basically just taking the gel that I showed you guys and I'm just dipping it in my brush, and I just use the brush side and I'm just kind of swooping my edges in like the way they want to be swooped. I kind of don't force it. Well, sometimes I do, but most of the time I really don't. I've been really liking the whole rows, like putting the baby hairs in like 2 separate rows, because I just think that looks really cute. Yeah, so basically I'm just doing that, and you guys will see in the later clips, but my edges are not symmetrical, and like the other side of my edges are completely different, and I was just struggling on this side, and it was a struggle. But you know, we all can be perfect, and this is the best shot. This is my best shot at doing my edges on this side. I don't know, I just feel like this side of my head always gives me problems. But yeah, this is just how I do my edges. And yeah, as I said, I just follow the natural hairline. So the most important thing to do when laying your edges is using a scarf right afterwards. I noticed that with this particular product, like when I use it, my hair starts to curl up if I don't set it afterwards, like if I don't put on a scarf. So I'm going to do that really quickly. This could be a look, guys. Like I tie it really tight because I want it to stay. So I just put it on here maybe for like 10 minutes. If I'm not doing anything, I'll probably leave it on. Sometimes I forget that I have it on. So it's been about 10 minutes, so I think I'm ready to take off the scarf and we'll see how my edges look. Yeah, get up close for you guys. Let's see. Ooh, okay. As you can see, like my edges aren't really like symmetrical. Like one side kind of does its own thing and then this side does its own thing. So I don't know, I'm trying to fix that. But this is basically how I lay my edges without using STYLER gel. This gel is really good if you know how to use it. Always use a scarf with this gel. I think that if you use a scarf with it, you're fine. Like this is gonna probably last me the whole day. And they also have a blueberry version. I haven't tried the blueberry version yet, but I think I might try this once this runs out. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more hair videos just like this, make sure to leave a comment down below. Sometimes I really don't know what to film, so it'd be really helpful if you guys commented down below any video ideas or any videos that you guys want to see from me. Yeah, if you're not subscribed, again, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see when I post. I post every single Friday, and that's it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.